Well, hello and welcome. Today we'll check out this Hisense 20-liter freestanding microwave with a grill boasting 900 watts of power for rapid cooking speeds. Easy to use and easy to clean, just wipe the appliance and enjoy the cooking experience. Microwaves are all about doing things quick and easy, so forget about waiting for your food to defreeze or making different dishes dirty just so you can warm up a cup of milk. Microwave is a quick and effective way to take care of it, and it can be used for many other things, including delicious and quick mug cakes for your sudden sugar cravings. With handy functions such as the multi-phase cooking and 7 automatic programs, it is easy to get perfect results every time for any dish. Auto programs offer easy preset programs for meat, popcorn, potato, pizza, vegetables, one for heating beverages and one for food reheating, all just a touch away. With multi-phase cooking, you can cook in 2 stages by manually programming steps for the cooking process. For example, in step 1, you may want to opt for a little bit more microwaves than grill, and then in step 2, just choose grilling to achieve a final crust. When you activate this mode, the microwave oven automatically follows these steps, so you don't have to do it manually. The grill function helps to achieve a crispy finish whilst keeping your food juicy on the inside. You can choose between 3 positions or 3 possibilities of cooking with the grill. Grill only for preparing a golden crust dish, or use one of the 2 combinations of grill and microwave. Either more microwaves and less grill, or less microwaves and more grill, which allow you to roast a smaller chunk of meat, bake a pizza and similar much faster. Microwave is also used a lot for thawing food using the defrost function. In order to keep the food in perfect condition after defrosting, it is important to thaw it quickly and efficiently. With the defrost function, the heat reaches the food evenly and simultaneously with no need for manually lowering the power. A microwave oven defrosts by using intervals of low heat. And last but not least, this microwave really saves your time. Just press the numeric buttons from 1 to 6. The cooking will immediately start at 100% of microwave power, and each number represents cooking time in minutes, from 1 to 6 minutes. Now, if you need just a quick 30-second boost, just press start and voila, you'll get the power, full power for half a minute. Hisense offers different high-quality yet affordable models that will make every day so much easier.